Gamestore.lk. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 514ALC05. Powerful lifestyle laptop. The new Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 with the Ryzen 5 5500U processor, NVMe SSD storage, a backlit keyboard, and optional stylus input could be the ideal everyday companion. The convertible presents itself in the test as a compact, lightweight, and yet powerful device. The IdeaPad Flex 5 has a well-built case that is almost exclusively made of plastic. The convertible's design looks good from all sides. The 360 degrees rotatable display also allows the laptop to be used as a tablet. It can also be used in tent or stand mode. The wide rubber feet on the underside provide a firm grip. Bring your ideas to life with the Lenovo Active Pen. This pen boasts pinpoint accuracy, powered by a single quadruple-A battery. USB pen holder. Flexibility and freedom. The IdeaPad Flex 5/14 AMD features a 360 degrees hinge so you can use it as a laptop, a tablet, and more. What's more, optional digital pen support gives you a fresh way to capture your inspirations on the go. And thanks to long battery life, you can do so all day and into the night. When you take a device everywhere, you want it to look good. That's why we engineered the IdeaPad Flex 5 with a new level of attention to detail, making it soft and comfortable to the touch yet still durable. Clutter-free display. The IdeaPad Flex 5/14 AMD boasts narrow bezels on four sides to give it a stylish, contemporary look and to give you more real estate to enjoy its FHD screen. Webcam privacy made simple. Why make it complicated? Webcam hacking worries all of us, but the IdeaPad Flex 5/14 AMD offers a simple solution: a physical shutter you can close yourself for complete security and privacy. Audio Dolby Audio 2x2W speakers. The multi-touch capable ClickPad is pleasantly large at 7.5 by 10.5 cm, backlit island-style keyboard. Processor AMD Ryzen 5 5500U mobile processor. Memory 16GB DDR4 RAM. Hard drive 512GB PCIe M.2 NVMe SSD. AMD Radeon Graphics. Display 14 inches FHD 1920 by 1080 TN 220 nits 45% NTSC. Maintenance: only a Torx 5 screwdriver and a plastic prying tool are needed to open the case. After removing the 9 case screws, you only have to apply slight pressure along the gap at the edge between the hinges with the opening tool to remove the bottom cover. Battery: 1080p video playback, up to 13 hours.